Welcome to AP Forex Trading. It's 17 February 10:47 p.m. Indian time. We're looking at GBP/USD daily chart. You can see that we have got a bearish candle here, and as I have said yesterday, that the market when it fell down here around this level, it went straight up to this trend line, and it was just consolidating here. And I said that this may be not a good buying position here to buy the GBP/USD until this trend line is broken. We are expecting a bearish movement, so the market opened today and came down straight to this level again, and then again find some support in this level, and then went straight up to these moving averages and also to these this trend line, but still didn't break out the above the trend line, and then came down here. It just broke this level, but I'm still not confirmed that this level is broken, because you can see that came down here, spike, came down 200 moving average, went back up. Now we are seeing support around here, but still I'm expecting another bearish candle tomorrow. And but for buying GBP/USD, I will not buy GBP/USD until this trend line is broken. Until the price did not break this trend line and go up, I will not be buying GBP/USD unless I'll be selling GBP/USD, but also below all these moving averages and below the 200 EMA, like this one. If the price came below these moving averages and gives a signal, and then I'll sell signal, then I'll be scalping GBP/USD, selling GBP/USD. And if the price if the moving averages goes flat, or the price floats above these moving averages and below the 200 EMA, I will not be selling GBP/USD. So only selling if the price is below every moving averages, and I will get a sell signal and get any sell structure. Only then I will be selling GBP/USD. In case of buying, unless this trend line is broken and the price goes above, then only I will be buying GBP/USD. Because if you try to sell GBP/USD between these 200 EMA and if the price is between these two EMAs, all these EMAs and 200, if the price is between here, then don't take any sell entry. It may be a reversal to the upside, so just wait. Like this one, it went above this moving average and this moving average, then came down, then you can take a sell entry here, or you can take a sell entry after getting rejection from the moving average. And if the price is above here, don't try to sell it because the price may shoot upside. So in case of upside, trend line is the base for me. Broken above, price broken above, I'll be buying GBP/USD on pullbacks and looking at the structure. Until then, I'll be selling GBP/USD looking at the market structure.